All right, considering this, it might look funny. I mean, it is funny, but it's not funny. Consider the kind of food, the nature, the good meal the Chinese school students are giving their kids, comparing it with this our Nigerian food, you can imagine. See, parents, I will always say this, trying to find out the kind of boarding school or kind of school you enroll your children. I mean, ensure that they eat balanced diet, well balanced diet, very balanced. Look at the nature of the food they are giving our kids there. How can a child be functional? How can a child's brain, work well eating this kind of food? It might be in the morning, eating eba with this kind of soup. See how watery the soup is. Look at it. No protein, no vegetable. This is uncalled for. And we have to look into this to ensure that in our own time, it will not be seen in our own schools. Look at this. What manner of food is this? And trust me, Nigerians, we have to wake up. This can only happen in this country. I know it's not all the schools anyway. It's some of the schools, not all the schools. But the authorities should look into this. They should regulate all these boarding schools to ensure our children are well fed in boarding school, to ensure that balanced diet is being taken, to ensure the mix of all the 6 classes of looking at this out there. In the first part of the video, comparing and contrasting with this, you would believe with me that we are very far. Biko ndị nne na nna, ụmụnne na ụmụnna, asịkwa m na gị etinye na nwa gị na boarding school, mana ka ị na-etinye, gbaa mbọ ka ịhụ na ụmụaka a na-eriju afọ. Gbaa mbọ hụ na a na-enye ụmụazị ya ihe ga-eme ka arụ ha dị mma, because health is wealth. God bless you for this time you spend in watching this video. Share to others to learn.